Question number 21st. Find the range of the following functions. First function is given f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x. You have to find the range of the following function. These are special kind of functions. So you have to solve it by one method only. I will tell you how to do it. Let start from here. Let y is equal to f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x. Give equation number 1. Is it clear? Put whatever is multiplying here. 1 sin x plus 1 cos x. So let 1 is equal to r cos alpha and here this 1 is equal to r sin alpha. Start from like this only. Whenever function is given sin x plus cos x or 3 sin x plus 4 cos x, 3 sin x minus 4 cos x like this, you have to write like this only. Let y is equal to this and here nothing is written, so write 1, 1. So this 1 is equal to r cos alpha and this 1 is equal to r sin alpha. R cos alpha and 1 is equal to r sin alpha. And square both the sides. Equation number 2, equation number 3. Equation 2 square plus equation 3 square and add 1 square plus 1 square. 1 square plus 1 square is equal to r square cos square alpha plus r square sin square alpha. R square cos square alpha plus r square sin square alpha. 1 square plus 1 square 2 is equal to r square common cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. So you know cos square theta plus sin square theta is what? 1. So cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is also 1. So you will get 2 is equal to r square. So r square is equal to what? 2. So r value you will get what? Root. R value is what? Root 2. Is it clear? Same pattern you have to follow. Also you have to do equation 3 divided by equation 2. Equation 3 divided by equation 2. So you will get r sin alpha upon r cos alpha. R sin alpha upon r cos alpha is equal to what? 1 by 1. 1 by 1. R sin alpha upon r cos alpha. So you will get r tan alpha. R cancel sin alpha upon cos alpha. That is what? Tan alpha is equal to what? 1. So from first equation we will get. From first we will get what? Y is equal to. At the place of 1 I am writing what? R cos alpha. R cos alpha means what? Root 2 cos alpha. Root 2 cos alpha sin x plus 1, that is what? R sin alpha cos x. So root 2 sin alpha cos x. Root 2 is common. Again y is equal to what? Root 2 sin x cos alpha plus cos x sin alpha. Sin x cos alpha plus cos x sin alpha. So you will get here y is equal to root 2 sin x cos alpha plus cos x sin alpha. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So I can write sin x plus alpha. Root 2 sin x plus alpha. Y I am writing here root 2 sin x plus alpha. Is it clear? Now y is equal to root 2 sin x plus alpha. You know sin value is between what? Minus 1 to 1. So sin x plus alpha is also what? Between minus 1 to 1 for all x belongs to, because these are real valued functions. So for all x plus alpha belongs to real number. For all x plus alpha belongs to real number. Here sin x also I can take. Sin x plus alpha also I can take, because here it is our sin x plus alpha. So minus 1, I know minus 1 less than equal to sin x equal to 1. Sin x between minus 1 to 1. So sin x plus alpha is between minus 1 to 1. For all x plus alpha belongs to R. Now here it is what? Sin x plus alpha. Sin x plus alpha. Minus 1 sin x plus alpha. So multiply with root 2. Because here what you need? Root 2 sin x plus alpha. Because they are asking range. So you have to make this function y is equal to what? Root 2 sin x plus alpha. Now this equation is converted into this root 2 sin x plus alpha. Here it is sin x plus alpha only. So multiply with root 2. Multiply with root 2. So minus root 2 less than equal to root 2 sine x plus alpha less than equal to root 2. So root 2 sine x plus alpha, that is what? Y. So value is between minus root 2 to root 2. Is it clear? Minus root 2 to. So range of a function is what? Minus root 2 to minus root 2 to root 2. Is it clear? Range of a function is minus root 2 to root 2. Now question number second part, 21st, second part, same method you have to follow. Second part, function is equal to fx is equal to 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. So let this is what? Y is equal to fx is equal to 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Give equation number 1. Solve this. Put 3 is equal to what? R cos alpha, same, and 4 is equal to R sin alpha. Is it clear? 3 is equal to R cos alpha, 4 is equal to R sin alpha. Give equation number 2, equation number 3. Whole square, equation 2 square plus equation 3 square. So 3 square plus 4 square is equal to what? R square cos square alpha plus R square sin square alpha. So R square cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. R square is common. So 3 square plus 4 square, that is what? 9 plus 16, 25 is equal to what? R square cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is what? 1. So R is equal to what? Root of 25. So R value is what? 5. R value is what? 5. Is it clear? R value is 5 also. Equation 3 by equation 3 divide by equation number 2. So you get what? R sin alpha upon R cos alpha. R sin alpha upon R cos alpha is equal to what? 4 upon 3. Or you can say R cancel. Tan alpha is equal to 4 by 3. So from equation number 1, we get fx is equal to what? Y is equal to fx, that is what? 3 sin x. So 3 sin x, what will I write? R cos alpha sin x. I will write here R cos alpha sin x plus 4 cos x. So 4 is what? R sin alpha cos x. R sin alpha cos x. Or I can say R common. Sin x cos alpha plus cos x sin alpha. Sin x cos alpha plus cos x sin alpha. And I know sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is what? Sin x plus alpha. So R is what? R is here 5. Sin x cos alpha plus cos x sin alpha. So sin x plus alpha. Y is equal to what? 5 sin x plus alpha. Is it clear? Y is equal to 5 sin x plus alpha. So you can say y is equal to 5 sin x plus alpha, and I know value of sin x plus alpha is between minus 1 to 1 for all x plus a. For all x plus a, alpha belongs to real numbers. So minus 1 to 1 value is for sin x plus alpha. So here you need 5, so multiply with 5. So minus 5 less than equal to 5 sin x plus alpha is less than equal to 5. So this is our function, that is y less than equal to minus 5. So range of a function is what? Between minus 5 to 5. Minus 5 to 5. This is the range of a function. Now question number 22nd. Question number 22nd, you can see the function f is from real numbers to real number, that is also a real valued function. F is from R to R is defined by fx is equal to mod of 2x minus 3. Mod of 2x minus 3. Is f11? Is f on? We have to check, is f11? Is f11? In second part they are asking, is f on to? Is function f on to? Both you have to check. Is f on to? So how will you check? Let's take for 1. Let's take x1 is equal to 1. Let's take x1 is not equal to x2. I am taking x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 2. Let's take this value. So you know x1 is not equal to x2. So for function to be 1, 1, f of x1 should not be equal to f of x2. So x1 is not equal to x2. I know 1 is not equal to 2. So I will take first f of x1 I will find. F of x1 will be what? Mod of 2x1 minus 3, and 2 x1 will be what? 1 minus 3. 2 into 1, that is 2 minus 3 mod value. So mod of minus will be what? 1 only. And when I will find f of x2, that is what? 2x2 minus 3, and x2 value is what? 2. 2 into 2 minus 3. So 4 minus 3. That is what? Mod of 1. That is also 1. So I know 1 is not equal to 2, but f of 1 is equal to f of 2 for this function, this modulus function. So I can say x1 is not equal to x2, but f of x1 is equal to f of x2. It is not possible for function to be 1, 1. So function is not 1, 1. Function is not 1, 1. Now it is what? Many one function, because here you see 1 and 2, elements 1 and 2 belongs to only 1. It is what? Many one function. It's not 1, 1 function. Now you have to do for onto. It is onto or not. Onto everything. So for all x belongs to real numbers. For all x belongs to any real number you will put. You will get 2x minus 3 mod. Any real number you will put. Because it is modulus value, so it can't be less than 0. It will be always greater than equal to 0 for any real value which belongs from the domain set. So 2x minus 3, for all x belongs to a real number, mod of 2x minus 3 is always greater than equal to 0, means a range of a function is, this mod of 2x minus 3 is what? Y. This y is what? Greater than equal to 0. Greater than equal to 0 means range is what? Range of a function is 0 is included, so this bracket, comma, till infinity we can't touch. So 0 to infinity. And you know 0 to infinity, which is a proper subset of R. Full real numbers are not there, only from 0 to infinity are there. Real numbers can be negative also, 0, all, so many numbers are there. So I can say RF, range of a function, which is a proper subset of codomain. Proper subset of codomain. It is not equal to codomain because values are from 0 to infinity. All real numbers are not covered. So RF, range of a function which is a proper subset of codomain. So I can say function is not onto. Function is not onto. Is it clear? It is not onto. It is an into function. Like this you have to solve. Now 23rd question. Question number 23 you can see. Question number 23. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 3 elements are given 1, 2, 3, and B is equal to 3, 5. B is equal to 3, 5. So then find the number of functions. You have to find number of functions from A to B. Number of functions, not 1, 1, not onto. Number of functions, only general. Number of functions from A to B you have to find. So what is the formula for number of functions from A to B? You can see elements in A is what? 3 elements. So let's say elements in A. So I will write elements in A, that is M. And they don't. So 3 are given. And N is equal to what? So formula is given. The number of functions from A to B is equal to what? N power M. If A and B, this is the formula. If A and B are finite sets. If A and B are finite sets containing M and N elements, containing M and N elements, M and N elements respectively, then the number of functions from A to B, then the number of functions from A to B, from A to B is equal to n power n. Here greater than, less than, no problem. Only number of functions from A to B. If A and B are two finite sets, you can see here m, 3 elements are given, here n, 2 elements are given. So if A and B are finite sets containing m and n elements respectively, then the number of functions from A to B, then the number of functions from A to B, elements m, here n elements, is equal to n power m. So according to this question, it will be what? N power m. So n is what? 2 elements, 2 power 3 elements. 2 power 3, that is what? 8. Answer is what? 8. 1. Now 24th question. Now 24th question, you can see question number 24. If A is equal to A comma B comma C, 3 elements are given. A is equal to A comma B comma C, and B is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. 4 elements are given here. So let's say M is equal to what here? 1, 2, 3 elements. N is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. M is equal to 3, N is equal to 4 first I write. Then find the number of functions from A to B. Same, you have to find the number of functions from A to B. So number of functions from A to B, is equal to n power n. That is what? 4 power 3. That is 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4, 16. 16 for the 64. So answer is what? 64. Now question number 25th. Question number 25th. If A is equal to A comma B and B is equal to 1 comma 3 comma 5, 3 elements are given. If A is equal to A comma B and B is equal to 1 comma 3 comma 5, then find the number of 1 functions. We have to find number of 1 functions from A to B. Here M is equal to what? 2, N is equal to 3. 2 elements, 3 elements. Is it clear? M is equal to 2, N is equal to 3. N is equal to 3, M is equal to 2. So you have to find number of 1 functions from A to B. So you can see here what will be number of 1 functions from A to B. How will you do? Number of 1 functions from A to B. Number of 1 functions from A to B will be what? NP M. NP M if M is less than equal to M. If M is less than equal to N, this formula, and 0 if M is greater than N. Is it clear? So which one we will take? This, because I know M what? 2 is less than equal to 3. So NPM. NPM means for 3P 2. NPM. So here it is 3P 2 according to our condition NPM. So 3P 2. So factorial 3 upon factorial 3 minus 2. Factorial NPR, that is factorial n upon factorial n minus r. So factorial 3 upon factorial of 1. So factorial 3 I can write 3 into 2 into 1 upon factorial 1 is what? 1. Answer is what? 6. Answer is 6. Number of 1 functions from A to B is 6. 25th is 1. Thank you.